Welcome back to the LearnXYZ channel. We like to take these deep dives, and today we're going to explore the world of Deepseek AI.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Chinese startup
Interesting.
that's causing a serious stir in the AI world.
Okay.
Imagine AI that can rival giants,
Hmm.
like OpenAI's ChatGPT, but at a fraction of the cost.
Really?
That's Deepseek, and it's not just shaking up the tech world.
No.
We're talking shockwaves in the stock market, too.
Wow.
To help us navigate all of this, I've got our AI expert here. What's interesting to me is that DeepSeek's founder,
Yay.
Liang Wenfeng, has a background in finance. He was using AI to predict stock markets.
Oh.
At his previous company, this isn't some overnight success story. There's real experience behind it.
That's really interesting. So what's captivating about Deepseek is how quickly they've become a major player.
It's true.
Founded just back in 2023, they're already making headlines in 2025.
And this month, January 2025,
Wow.
they released their flagship AI model, DeepSeek R1.
Joe, this is all
happening right now.
Yeah. It feels like we're watching history in the making.
Exactly. And one of the things that's really turning heads is the cost they developed DeepSeek R1 for about $6 million.
Wow.
Now compare that to the estimated $100 million spent on OpenAI's GPT-4.
Yeah, it really makes you wonder, how are they doing so much with so much less?
Right.
It's a game changer, and the market reacted instantly. NVIDIA, the company that makes those high-powered chips for AI, their stock took a major hit.
Oh, no.
We're talking a 17% drop in a single day.
Wow.
Almost $600 billion in market value just gone poof.
That's right. DeepSeek is forcing the entire industry and investors to rethink the assumptions around AI development. What if you don't need to spend a fortune to create truly powerful AI? That's the question they're posing, and one of the ways they're doing this is through their open source approach.
Okay, hold on, let's break that down for our listeners. Open source, it means they're sharing their AI models and methods freely, which is pretty unusual in this world, right?
It is quite rare.
Most companies keep their tech a closely guarded secret, and it has the potential to be incredibly impactful. Think about it. Researchers around the world could build upon DeepSeek's work. This could speed up AI advancement for everyone.
That's a really exciting prospect. So much potential. It reminds me why we do what we do here at LearnXYZ. We want to keep you ahead of the curve, informed about the things that are shaping the future, like this whole DeepSeek situation. If you want to dive deeper into any of the topics we discuss, remember to check out LearnXYZ.in for tons of articles, videos, and more.
Now, of course, there are always two sides to every coin. While DeepSeek's open source approach is generating a lot of buzz, some people are raising concerns about data security.
Right. All this data is being stored on servers in China, and that's making some people, especially in the U.S., a bit nervous. I can see why that would be a concern. What are the implications of that?
It's definitely a complex issue with a lot of nuances. Let's unpack it a bit. On one hand, you have the potential for incredible advancements through collaboration and shared knowledge. On the other hand, there are legitimate concerns about data privacy, potential misuse, and even national security implications.
So it's not as simple as saying open source is good or open source is bad. It's more nuanced than that.
Right.
It raises a lot of questions, and it's something we'll definitely need to keep an eye on as things develop. Now, let's talk about the competition. DeepSeek isn't operating in a vacuum. They're going up against some major players in the AI arena.
Absolutely. You've got OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is still considered the leader in many ways, but it's significantly more expensive to run. Then there's Google's Gemini, which has the advantage of seamless integration with all of Google's products. And we can't forget Anthropic's Claude, which was developed with a strong emphasis on ethical considerations. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses.
It sounds like a real battle of the titans. So where does DeepSeek fit in all of this? How do they stack up against these giants?
That's where DeepSeek's unique approach really comes into play. They've managed to achieve a remarkable combination of performance and affordability, according to our sources. They boast 5 to 10 times lower training costs,
Wow.
faster response times, and better scalability compared to their competitors.
Those are some serious advantages, especially for businesses and organizations that might not have the resources of a Google or OpenAI.
Precisely. And here's something particularly relevant for you, listener. DeepSeek is incredibly strong in multilingual capabilities. They've optimized their models for both Chinese and English, making it a powerful tool in a globalized world.
That's huge. I can already see how that could be a game changer for communication translation, even international business.
Yeah.
It's incredible how rapidly this technology is evolving, It wasn't that long ago that AI felt like something out of science fiction, and now it's becoming an integral part of our lives.
It's true, and it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the access to that technology. DeepSeek's cost-effective approach has the potential to democratize AI, making it available to a much wider range of users and applications.
That's a really exciting prospect. It makes me think about all the ways this could impact various industries, healthcare, education, even creative fields. The possibilities seem endless.
They really are, and it's not just hypothetical. We're already seeing real-world examples of DeepSeek's technology being put to use in innovative ways.
Oh, I'd love to hear about some of those. What are some specific examples of how DeepSeek is being used right now?
Well, one area where they're making significant inroads is education. They've developed AI-powered tutoring systems that can personalize learning experiences for students, regardless of their age or ability. Imagine a world where every student has access to a virtual tutor that can adapt to their individual needs and learning styles.
That sounds revolutionary. It could completely transform the way we approach education, making it more accessible and effective for everyone.
Exactly, and the potential applications extend far beyond. The classroom businesses are leveraging DeepSeek's AI to enhance their operations in countless ways.
Like how? Give us some concrete examples.
For instance, marketing departments are utilizing DeepSeek's AI to analyze customer data and create highly targeted personalized campaigns. Customer service departments are deploying chatbots powered by DeepSeek's AI to handle a wide range of inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues, even in manufacturing. DeepSeek's AI is being used to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and streamline operations.
It's fascinating to see how this technology is being integrated across so many diverse sectors. It really underscores the transformative potential of AI. And it makes me wonder, listener, what about your field? How could DeepSeek's approach to AI impact your work or your industry? It's worth taking a moment to ponder because this technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and its impact is only going to grow in the years to come.
You make an excellent point. This isn't just an abstract technological advancement. It's something that has the potential to touch every aspect of our lives.
And that's why we're so passionate about what we do here at LearnXYZ. We want to help you, our listeners, stay ahead of the curve, understand these emerging trends, and navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world, if you're finding this deep dive insightful. We encourage you to visit our website, LearnXYZ.in for a wealth of resources and information on a variety of topics. We're dedicated to empowering you with knowledge and helping you thrive in this dynamic world.
Now let's delve into one of the more intriguing aspects of DeepSeek, their unique approach to training their AI models.
Yes, I've heard they've developed some innovative techniques that allow them to achieve impressive results with significantly less computational power and data compared to traditional methods. That's a big part of how they're able to keep their costs so low.
Precisely, and it's quite fascinating how they accomplish this. Without getting too technical, they've focused on optimizing their algorithms for maximum efficiency. They've also developed ingenious methods for filtering and refining their training data, ensuring that their models are learning from the most relevant and valuable information.
So it's like they're taking a more streamlined and targeted approach to training, kind of like a master chef, selecting the finest ingredients and using precise techniques to create a culinary masterpiece.
That's an excellent analogy, and the results speak for themselves. DeepSeek's AI models are achieving remarkable levels of performance, even surpassing their more established competitors in certain areas.
It's a true testament to the power of innovation and a reminder that sometimes the most disruptive ideas come from unexpected places.
Indeed. And in the case of DeepSeek, that unexpected place is China, a nation that's rapidly becoming a global leader in artificial intelligence.
That's a crucial point. DeepSeek's rise is part of a larger trend. China is investing heavily in AI research and development, and they're making significant strides in the field.
Absolutely. They have a national strategy aimed at achieving global dominance in AI by 2030, and their progress is undeniable. DeepSeek is just one example of the many innovative AI companies emerging from China.
It seems clear that we're witnessing a global race in AI development, and the stakes are incredibly high. AI has the potential to fundamentally reshape the world as we know it, and China is determined to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. It really makes you think about the future, doesn't it? What will this landscape look like in 5, 10 years?
It's fascinating to consider DeepSeek's emergence has really thrown a wrench into things. They're challenging the established order, forcing the giants like Google and OpenAI to adapt and innovate.
Yeah, it's like they've come out of nowhere and changed the rules of the game. And as you mentioned, this isn't just about technology, it's about geopolitics too. DeepSeek's success is a clear sign of China's growing influence in the world of AI.
Absolutely. And it raises all sorts of questions about the future of AI development. Will we see a more collaborative approach between nations, or will competition and rivalry dominate the landscape?
Those are the big questions, aren't they? And the answers will have a profound impact on how this technology shapes our world.
It's a lot to consider, but it's what makes this deep dive so compelling. We're exploring the cutting edge of AI in real time, and you, our listeners, are right here with us.
That's exactly what we strive for here on the LearnXYZ channel. We want to make these complex topics accessible and engaging. We want to spark curiosity and encourage our listeners to explore these ideas further.
We're all about empowering you with knowledge, helping you understand the forces that are shaping our world. And if you're enjoying this deep dive, I encourage you to check out our website, LearnXYZ-In. We have tons of articles, videos, and resources on a wide range of topics. It's all about helping you stay ahead of the curve in this ever-changing world.
We're your guides on this journey of discovery. We're thrilled to have you along for the ride. So to wrap up this deep dive, let's highlight the key takeaways about Deepseek AI.
Great idea. What are the most important things our listeners should remember? First and foremost, Deepseek is a disruptor. Their ability to develop powerful AI at a fraction of the cost is shaking things up and forcing everyone to rethink what's possible.
And we can't forget their open source approach. It's exciting and controversial in equal measure. It has the potential to accelerate AI advancements for everyone, but it also raises concerns about data security and the potential for misuse.
Exactly. And then there's the geopolitical dimension. DeepSeek's rise is a clear sign of China's growing influence in the tech world. This raises important questions about the future of AI development and the balance of power on the global stage.
It's a lot to process, but this knowledge is essential for anyone who wants to understand the forces shaping our future. DeepSeek's story is still unfolding, and the coming chapters promise to be just as captivating as the first.
So stay tuned to the LearnXYZ channel for more insightful deep dives like this one. We'll be here to guide you through the complexities of AI and the many other trends shaping our world.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of Deepseek AI. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. And remember to visit our incredible website, www.learnxyz.in. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for listening.